You're muted, Poonaji.
Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Pathami Sanskritam Nityam Vadami Sanskritam Sada Dhyayami Sanskritam Samyak Vande Sanskritamataram. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. We are seeing 17th chapter, Shabda, Vakyas. We finished Udaharana Vakya, first one, right? Sanskrit, now this one we have to see, right?
We have done up to 11.
11. Oh, okay. 12th one. Anusha?
నేను పనిలో నిమగ్నమై ఉన్నాను.
Okay.
కట్టుబడి ఉన్నాను.
In English?
I'm involved in my work. I'm immersed in my work.
Yes. Next, 13th one. Vijayaji?
సేనాపతి జంతువును బాణం ద్వారా.
Read the Sanskrit part.
సేనాపతిః మృగే శరాన్ ముంచతి క్షిపతి అస్యతి వా. సేనాపతి జంతువును బాణం ద్వారా
Prabhaji?
Okay. So Senapatihi would be the commander. The commander or the chief, he liberated the mriga, the animal with an arrow. With an arrow. Would that be? Because munchati is moksham dadati kind of a thing, right? So liberated would be the word for that. If it's Shipati is just
arrow. Released arrow. Releasing arrow.
Oh, sorry.
Munchati is also releasing, right?
Oh, right. Mrige is Saptami. Okay. So, okay. The chief hit the or killed. Kshipati would be killed or no?
Kshipati is also throwing.
Throwing, okay.
Asyati is also throwing.
So he threw the arrow at the animal?
1 minute.
Sorry.
Sorry, please continue.
So yeah, this one is hard for me. So
Oh, okay. Shivananji, can you try?
सेनापतिः मृगे ट्रेम
Hmm.
ट्रेम
సేనాపతి జంతువు మీదికి బాణంను వదిలాడు.
Vadiladu. Which tense? Which lakara?
వదిలాడు. లంగ్ లకారం.
Here it is which lakara? Munchati.
ప్రజెంట్ లోట్ల
Huh.
లట్లకార.
Huh.
వదులుతున్నాడు.
Huh. Yes. Shivananji?
सेनापति will it be okay? Senapati, the commander, Mruge means shoots,
Mruge
shoots,
means
throws, any animal.
Huh.
Shoots, throws at the deer, at the animal. Okay, the Senapati, the commander shoots arrows at the deer,
Yes.
at the animal.
Okay. Next one. Uma Amma.
छात्रः गुरुं सेवतां विद्यां लभतां दुःखं सहतां ज्ञानेन वर्धतां मोदतां च. The student should serve the guru, obtain vidya, obtain knowledge, tolerate sorrows, sufferings, and by knowledge should grow by knowledge, and then rejoice.
So this is Lot Lakara, right?
Yes.
What is the Telugu Vakya?
విద్యార్థి గురువుకు సేవ చెయ్యాలి, జ్ఞానాన్ని పొందాలి, బాధలను భరించాలి, జ్ఞానాన్ని పెంచుకోవాలి మరియు ఆనందించాలి.
Next, Shrishaji.
Tvam modasva aham shikshayi. You rejoice or you enjoy, then I will teach.
Shikshai is which lakara?
This is lot lakara, no? Is it?
Hmm.
I have to teach. You enjoy, I have to teach. I will, yeah.
May I teach? Or shall I teach?
Shall I teach will be lot lakara or
Shiksha is which
Ah.
lakara?
Diksha is lot, but
Hmm.
may I will be, that is like a request. So this should be like a command kind of a thing, right?
It can be both.
Okay.
So I should teach is for the command, and may I teach is it is not like a request, it is a prayer, you can say.
Okay, next one.
Just a question, Purnaji. Could this
Mhm.
also be interpreted as you enjoy, or would it be shall I teach, you enjoy kind of a thing? Or are they not related? The two sentences.
It's not related. They have
Okay.
just given. They both are different words.
Shiksha means seek, no, to learn.
Hmm.
16th
Shiksha means
chapter,
what?
to learn. You enjoy, I learn. Previous chapter is there.
Previous chapter. Oh.
Yes, it says Shikshay Vidyopadane. So it is Upadane means to gain knowledge. Shiksh.
Vidyopadani. Yeah. Learn. It's not in the sense of teaching, it is learn. Vidya Upadani, taking. So you enjoy?
I learn.
May I learn?
May I learn? Okay, next one. Anusha done. Okay, Vijayaji.
पिता पुत्र से स्नेह करता है. पिता पुत्रेण स्निह्यति.
Why putrena? Sneha dhatu, when it is there, karika should be in which vibhakti?
सप्तमी पुत्रे.
Now what is the complete vakya?
पिता पुत्रे स्निह्यति.
Next. Anusha?
सः सत्ये विश्वासं स्नेह्यति.
Can you read the vakya?
सः सत्ये
No.
विश्वास.
Hindi vakya.
वह सत्य में विश्वास करता है. सः सत्ये विश्वासं करोति. स्नेह्यति.
Vishwas is the dhatu is there, you see. We don't need to use kru dhatu. Vishwas is the dhatu. Vishwasiti.
विश्वासति विश्वास
Can you complete the vakya again?
सः सत्ये विश्वासति
Next, Prabhaji, Shrishaji,
विश्वसिति और विश्वासिति
Vishwasiti.
विश्वसिति विश्वसिति अम्मा विश्वसिति
Vishwasiti. Dirgha gets lopa. Next one. Prabhaji, Sirishaji.
Okay. Should I do or Shirishadi?
Yes, please. Anyone.
Sorry, I was muted. Should I do or?
Go ahead.
गुरु शिष्यों में आदर पाता है. शिष्य गुरुः शिष्येषु गुरुः शिष्येषु आदर
What is the dhatu for adara?
Ad, right? Ad.
Adru dhatu. Adru, adare.
Okay. Guruः शिष्येषु आदरे
Adriyate.
आद्रियते.
Hmm.
पाता है is he gets it, right? He earns respect. आदर पाता है.
Adriyate, that is included that word also, right? Adriyate means getting respect.
Okay.
Next, Prabhaji.
ओके. हरि रमा पर आसक्त है. हरिः रमायाम् आसक्तः अस्ति.
We are seeing Anuraktah.
Oh, sorry. अनुरक्तः अस्ति.
Yeah, another reading is asakta is there. But both are okay. Both are same meaning. Okay. Next one.
So
Shivanand.
can we say Rame also? Yeah.
No. Rame is
Oh yeah,
which-
yeah. Ramayam. Yeah, yeah. sorry.
रमायाः कथम्
Ramayaha is which vibhakti?
Esti, but yeah, Ramayam.
रमयम्
Anurakta word is there. That's why Rama Shabda will be in Saptami Vibhakti. Ramayam. Okay. Next one. Shivanandji.
हमारी धर्म में रति है.
Hmm.
अस्माकं धर्म में Rati is enjoy. Rati prem asti. Rati विश्वास विश्वास अस्ति और
Vishwasa.
सॉरी प्रेम नहीं सॉरी अस्माकं धर्मे प्रेम अस्ति
Prem is which language?
ओके रति अस्ति I
No,
got confused
I am
because
just asking.
here
Prem pronunciation is in Hindi. In Sanskrit, prema.
yes
The sentence is correct. The
So
just
the-
pronunciation. Can you?
अस्माकं धर्मे रति अस्ति
You can use prema.
अस्माकं धर्मे रति अस्ति because in word bank they are given rati and in Hindi prem, but in Hindi sentence they used a Sanskrit word. Here they should have given हमारे धर्म में प्रेम रहता है. Yes.
But prema is also there in Sanskrit.
Okay.
Panchadashi, this prema word comes. Para premaspadam yataha. Prema aspadam. But prema is also
Okay.
correct. Rati is also correct. Okay. Next one. Umama.
मेरी ईश्वर में श्रद्धा और निष्ठा है. मम ईश्वरे श्रद्धा एवं निष्ठा सन्ति.
Shraddha cha. Shraddha cha.
श्रद्धा च निष्ठा सन्ति.
No. Cha should be at the end.
और श्रद्धा निष्ठा च सन्ति.
No. Nishtha cha.
Santi, I was thinking. Oh, no,
Santi
mama.
Santi is
Santi.
which?
Bahuvachan
which vachana?
asti. Huh? Oh, which? Okay. I don't know what the feminine, the Shraddha and Nishtha are feminine.
No. Linga is not required for dhatus.
Huh.
Vachana. I'm asking vachana.
Vachanam is Bahuvachanam. So
Hmm.
are you saying that I should use Dvivachanam here or Bahuvachanam?
Yes.
Dvivachanam. Okay. Asti, then what is Dvivachanam? Astam? I don't know. Staha, sorry. Okay.
Astha santi.
Mama Ishware Shraddha Nishtha cha Staha.
Because Shraddha and Nishtha both are there, that's why we used Dvivachan. Okay. Next. Vijayaji.
Shraddha Nishtha in which vibhakti amma?
Shraddha Nishtha is Prathama Ekavachan.
Shraddha Nishtha should be in Prathama Ekavachan. Okay.
Shraddha Nishtha Strilinga Shabdas. Like Rama. Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Like that Shraddha, Shraddhe, Shraddhaha. Prathama
Means,
Vibhakti.
there is okay.
Hmm.
Means it should be in Prathama Ekavachan. It should be while making the sentence.
Yes.
Okay.
Mama Ishware Shraddha Nishtha cha Staha. Here Shraddha and Nishtha we are taking as subject. Verb will go with the subject, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mama Ishware Asti. When we say Mama Ishware Staha, let us say only Ekavachanam. Mama Ishware Asti. Then question will be Kim Asti. Shraddha Asti.
Asmi are correct.
Ka Asti, sorry. Ka Asti. Because it is Srilinga, so Ka Asti. Shraddha asti. Dvivachanam, both are there, so we used Dvivachanam. What is the question?
Mama means asti, asmi is correct.
No. That's what I am saying. Shraddha, Nishtha, ikkada subject.
Okay.
Asti, staha, Shraddha, Nishtaki vartistundi. Kriyapadam, Shraddhaki, Nishtaki vartistundi.
मेरी सत्य में अभिलाषा बढ़े. मम सत्ये अभिलाषा वर्धति.
This is lot lakara.
वर्धे.
Vardhatam.
मेरी means mama.
Madhya Uttam Purusha Ekavachanam Vardhe. Okay. Here Telugu Vakyam is Naku Satyamlo Abhilasha undi. Mama won't come when we say Naku Satyamlo. Which vibhakti should come there?
सत्ये.
నాకు అన్నప్పుడు
द्वितीय.
ద్వితీయ
మాం
మాం సత్యే అభిలాషః.
वर्धे.
Where is Vardhe? Is there any form Vardhe?
वर्धते, वर्धेते, वर्धन्ते. उत्तमपुरुषं वर्धे. लोट लकार. Oh. वर्धै.
There is no Vardhe form. If you use Vidhiling, Vardhayeyam. If you use lot lakara, then Vardhayai. Either Vardhayai or Vardhayeyam.
One question, Purnaji, here.
Yes.
Okay, Mary would be in would be my, right? In not from Telugu, but from when you go from Hindi to English. So my, so in this, why would it be Uttama Purusha? Shouldn't it be Prathama Purusha? Because Satya, in Satya, Abhilasha is the Prathama Vibhakti, right? Abhilasha should increase. So shouldn't it be Vardhatam?
Yes. Abhilasha is Vardhatam. Abhilasha is the Prathama Ekavachanam. That will go with Kriyapadam. Yes. Sorry.
Also, it is Mary Satya, so shouldn't it be Mama Satye Abhilasha Vardhatam?
Can you translate Mama Satye Abhilasha Vardhatam?
In English, it'll be like, may my Abhilasha in Satyam grow, in truth grow. May my desire in truth grow. It is my desire. So, mama abhilasha satye badhe. Satye vardatam.
So, mama can
May
be
my desire for truth increase.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. We can use Shashti. Okay. Then next one. Next, who has to say?
मेरा भोजन कर लेना पर बालक यहाँ आया। मया भोजनं समाप्तं कृत्वा बालकः अत्र आगतः।
Can you repeat again?
मया भोजनं समाप्तं कृत्वा बालकः अत्र आगतः।
Bhojane krute. You see the Niyama 75. Is it 75? Previous chapter. Oh, 75 is the source clause.
$77. यस्य च भावेन भावलक्षणं सति सप्तमी.
Yes, 77. So Krudanta form should be in Saptami. So here Bhojane krute sati. Aham Bhojane krute sati. What is the continuation?
अहं भोजने कृते सति बालकः अत्र आगतः।
Agataha or agachat. Both can be used. Next one.
అహం యూజ్ చేయొచ్చా మమ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు?
Aham.
Mayi. Mayi. 7. Bhojan.
No, but it should be maya, right? Not the person is not in Saptami.
Person is not in Saptami.
It should be by me, or will it be my completion of eating?
I finished eating. When I
But that
finished
would be
eating,
okay. It says mere bhojan kar lene par, right? So that's why I thought.
so mere bhojan means
No, it's my finishing, or if it was the other way passive, it would be by me.
okay. The English vakya for this is the boy came here after I had finished my meal.
My meal, right? So mama.
That my meal is bhojane is there.
The my means something that belongs to me.
If you see the kartravachaka shabda, okay, sorry. Kartravachaka shabda, karta should be in saptami. So here Mai is the correct.
Okay,
Shivananji
perfect.
said Mai is the correct. Rami
Thank you.
vanam krate. Mai bhojane krate sati. And bhojane is also in saptami. For that there is another niyama. When krute shabda comes, then this bhojana shabda can be in
Rule 77, it says the karma and the kridanta will be in the saptami. And
but
it
Kridanta
also says karta mein tritiya hogi. Rule number 77
that is karma
one
vachaka.
in karma vachaka, sorry.
Uh-huh.
In kartravachaka vachya, it says karta and kridanta will be in saptami. Okay, got it.
No, I am looking for bhojane krute. For that there is one niyama we saw earlier. Bhojane krute sati. Okay, I will look at later and I will let you know. When krute comes, then this bhojane will be in. It can be in 3 vibhaktis. Krute, when krute comes. But I'm not sure which 3 bucks. I don't remember. I will look at it. Okay, next one.
बालक के सोने पर पिता घर से बाहर आया. So the same 77 rules. So can I say balake shayane krite pita griham.
Krute won't come here. Shayana is itself is Kriya Pada.
Shayan.
Shayane.
So is it balake shayane pitah griham.
Pitaha is which vibhakti?
Pitru shabda. So be the subject. Pita? Is it pita?
Pita. Pita.
Just pita, right? Pita griham.
Gruham should be in which vibhakti?
The second case, Dvitiya.
What is the meaning?
Location, Gruhe, right?
No. Panchami. It should be Panchami, right? From Gruha.
Okay. From Gruham. So, Gruhat.
Hmm.
Bahar is Bahya. Agachet.
Bahihi.
Bahihi Agachet.
Agachat or Agachat? Bahar आया వెళ్ళాడు or వచ్చాడు?
He came out.
Oh, he came out. Okay, okay.
బయటికి వచ్చాను. గచ్చతి.
Can we say Nijagrihat Torunam Vinirgamyatam? Gamyatam, Vinirgamyatam.
Yes. Grihat. Gamyatam. Yes. Next one.
मैं इस समय अध्ययन में लगा हुआ हूँ. अहम अमुष्मिन् समये अध्ययनं करोमि.
What is Amushmin?
I thought others shabd. Oh, that will be that, right? Saptami for others.
Linga?
Shabda was amush.
Which linga?
Oh, pullinga, because he says karta hu.
Samprati. Samprati.
This is 10th one, correct? Can you repeat the Vakya again?
Okay, first, can you just clarify? It should be idam, right? If it is here.
Yes.
I said others one, so that is wrong first. So asmin. So it will be aham. अस्मिन् समये अध्ययनं लगा हुआ हूँ. So that is continuous. Karomi sma. Can it be said?
Adhyayane samlagne rame.
Oh, right. Okay. Samlagne. Okay.
Shivananji, you are saying something?
Is samay is Sanskrit word is samprati.
Samprati is idani.
Is samay, this time.
There is a slight different. Asmin samaye, in this time. When we say idanim, it is now. Now means when we say in this time, asmin samay, in this time, it could be any time.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Samprati is something like currently it will be present.
Yes. Next one.
कृष्णा शास्त्रों में निपुण और कुशल है. कृष्णः शास्त्रे निपुण और कुशल निपुणकुशलम् अस्ति. कृष्णः शास्त्रे निपुणः.
Shastre, is that singular or plural?
शास्त्रे
Somebody told if there is
plural.
that should be in plural. Shastrom me, plural, right?
Yes, ma'am, plural.
Then what is the vibhakti there?
Vibhakti.
Shastreshu.
शास्त्रेषु. Okay. कृष्णः शास्त्रेषु निपुणः कुशलः च अस्ति. च सन्ति.
Santi. Nipunaha and kushalaha. Both are same meanings. Right? Both are same meaning. So we
Yes.
can use va.
Okay.
When we use va, means both are same meaning. Nipuna or kushala. Then asti will come, not santi.
Okay.
We can take only one thing. Next one.
राजा ने मृगों पर बाण चलाए मुझ क्षिप. राजा मृगे शरान मुंचति क्षिपति वा.
Can you repeat again?
राजा मृगे शरान मुंचति क्षिपति वा.
Is it present tense or past tense?
चलाए, or maybe past tense. Then would it be
Akshipat.
akshipati?
Akshipat.
Akshipat.
हाँ.
Amunchat or muchit, would it be amunchat or
Amunchat. हाँ. मृगे पर बाण. बाण is ekavachanam, right?
yes.
Then sharam.
Okay. Sharam.
Can you repeat again?
Raja Mrige Sharam Achipat Amunchat Va. Amunchat, right? Is it? Amunchat Va.
The lang lakara akshipyat is there. Yakara will come. Akshipyat.
I didn't see the yakara. I'm seeing this is Tudadi I'm looking at. So should I look at a different?
Yeah, if it is Tudadi, there is no. Divadi, it is
Um,
Yakara.
One more question, Purnaji.
Akship.
These are Atmanepadi, right? So won't they be Akshipata?
Akshipata.
And
Yes.
Munchata.
Amunchata.
Okay.
Akshipata, Amunchata.
That makes more sense. Yes. Actually, lang lakar. Okay. Atmanepadi. Yeah. Akshipata amunchata va. So I'll do it one more time. Raja Mrige Sharam Akshipata amunchata va.
Next one. Next, Anusha. Anusha is not there. Okay, she is not. Vijayaji.
Sadhu Bhiksha Mange. Yati Mange also Bhiksha. Bhiksha also Bhiksha. Okay.
You can use Yachate.
Yati hi Bhiksha Yachate.
Hmm?
Bhiksha. Yati hi
Bhiksha.
Bhiksha Yachate.
Bhiksham Yachate. Next one.
Vriksha kampe. Vriksha kampe. Vrikshaha kampante.
Kampante is which vibhakti?
Is this
This
that
one
is
is not vibhakti. Which vachana?
Bahuvachana lat lakara. But this
Hey.
is kampe is like an order or like made
Lat lakara only, but ekavachana.
Vriksha is okay.
I thought mange generally is like it's a directive, or so lot or vigiling would be, right?
This is kampe, right?
Mehi. For the previous also, mange and kampe, I think it is basically that mehi or should, that kind of a meaning.
I thought it can be for respect. But for Vriksha, there's no respect. So for Bhiksha Mange, Sadhu Mange, I thought that was with respect. Bahuvachana. And Kape, why you're saying is Bahuvachana?
Yeah, because
No, I was
Vriksha
saying
is
it's more a injunction, but yeah, injunction or something. I don't know.
So it's Bahuvachanam with the Anuswara.
No, it's not Bahuvachanam. I was saying kampe as in
Lot.
it shakes or it,
Okay.
yeah, lot or revealing, that way I was thinking. But it's not a should, because why should it? Right, I don't know. I'm sorry.
So tree is shivering is the meaning? Is that the tree shivers or the
Yeah,
tree
tree
trembles?
shivers might be. Yeah.
Oh,
The trees shook.
shakes. Shook.
Huh.
Oh, that is past tense.
Yes, it shows past tense.
Oh, shook is past tense. Okay.
Word Punaji, so vrikshaha, it's lang lakara.
Lang lakara.
Lang lakara Bahuvachan, right?
Yes. Bahuvachan. Then vrikshaha also Bahuvachan. Vrikshaha.
Vrikshaha. Kampata or something? A kampa. What is the lang form of kamp? Kamp. What is the lang form?
What is the lung? Rupa?
Lang. Akampan.
Akampata.
Yes. Akampat is ekavachanam.
Akampant.
It is Atmanepadi. Akampan is okay if it is Parasmepadi. But there is no Parasmepadi for this. Akampata. Akampanta. Atmanepadi, Bahuvachanam, Langlakara, Akampanta. Next. Next one.
Udatini.
Yes.
मैं सत्य में रमण करूं. रम अहम सत्ये ram. May I, right? So this should be Rame for lot. May I?
Ramai.
Ramai, right.
Hmm.
Ramai. Thank you.
When we say may I, that I is in Prathama Vibhakti or in Dvitiya Vibhakti?
May I means it will be Prathama.
Okay. If we want to use Dvitiya, what is the English word? To me, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Next one.
Tu prasanna ho. Tu is tvam. Ho. Ho is lot lakaram. Muddu dhatu is there. त्वं मोदस् मोदस्व त्वं मोदस्व.
Next one.
त्वं तू बड़ा
Hmm.
तू बड़ meaning you grow. त्वं वर्धस्व or vridhas, not vardhasva. Yeah.
Yes, Vardhasva. This is also Atmanepadi dhatu. Yeah, Vardhasva is the correct. Next one.
मै कोर्तु अहं
Kurdhai. Next one.
सेवा करूं करोमि अहं सेवा
Sevai. Lot lakara. Uttam Purusha Ekavachana. Next one.
तू देख. त्वं ईक्षस्व.
Yes. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Can you stop there?